Hey everyone, what's going on? What's happening? Hope you guys are doing well. Alright, so today's video is another look using the Friendcation palette. Da 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 da. So, this is recently a new palette that came out, and I feel like a bunch of us, gravitated towards it because A, the packaging is just stunning, and the colors and shades that was selected to be in this palette is just basically shades and colors you can use on any occasion, whether it be going out at night and having some fun with your girls and guys, or even just going to like a casual day out, whatever you think of. I feel like this palette does it all. So I already created one look, which I will possibly link down below. I guess I should link it down below in the description box. So yeah, scroll down, description box, link down below. It's a different look using the Friendcation palette, but today we're doing this like wet black like smoky eye look, and it's actually, it might look like it's complicated, but really it isn't. It's super easy, really simple. I feel like this tutorial is like a very beginner friendly tutorial. Super easy. So if you want to know how to achieve this look, then without further ado, let's just get started. I went ahead and did my brows. I used my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and of course, put some face lotion on using my Mix Easy face cream, which, by the way, there is a link down below for a discount for you guys. So if you want to use that, you can. Description, drop down box, links down below for that, discount code. I'm going to go ahead and just put some concealer on top of my eyes to act as a primer. Like so. Alright, so for this look, I do want to dive into a more like deeper, smokier look. We're going to start by using the shade Basic and placing that just all over our eyelids. Now, taking the shade Necessary, we're going to place that right on the eye socket from the very end of your eye to the very inner corner. Using the same brush, I'm going to dive into the shade Teens and basically do the same thing, but really focus your brush more towards the outer corner than the inner corner. And you can do that by placing your brush on the outer corner first and then, bringing that in to the inner corner. Alright, so now I'm going to dive into the star of the eyes, which is Game Over. And we're going to place that all over the lid. Alright, so that's what we have going on so far. I'm going to dive back into Cheens using a much smaller brush. And because I feel like that kind of just faded away a little bit as I was putting on Game Over. And I want to bring that Cheens back. So that is what I'm doing. And just to brighten up the inner corners just a tad bit, I'm going to just use my fingers and dive into Just a Kiss and just tap that on the inner corner. I went ahead and did my lashes and my eyeliner and put on some foundation. So we're going to go into my Too Faced Sweet Pie bronzer, which looks like this. And we're going to just kind of add some color back into my face. And I did tie my hair back, so I guess I should have tied it back from the start, but whatever. And then for my blush, I will use my Milani in Coral Cove. I freaking love this blush. It's affordable. You can get it at the drugstore. And I just think it's a really nice shade. Oh, and I did put on some concealer. I used the Tarte Shape Tape. That's what I use. And then I'm going to take my Hourglass Mineral Veil, Translucent Veil, and just tap that right under my eyes. I guess I should have done this before the blush and bronzer, but whatever. And a little bit on the forehead. I'm not using too much, just like the tiniest amount, because I feel like if you use too much, and if you have the type of skin that I have, then your, skin would look really dry. Just the tiniest amount is perfect. Alright, so for my highlight, I'm going to take the Desi X Katy in Fuego and just pick up some of that color right there. Such a gorgeous color. And just to finish the look off, I'm going to take my Gerard Cosmetics lipstick in Cherry Cordial. I want to mention to you guys, I figured out another really good way to use this small little, you know, sponge, beauty sponge, is when you want to like clean up right around your lips and, you know, clean it up using a concealer or maybe even a foundation. It does a really good job. And then just to give this look a little bit of, what do you call it, you know, dimension on the lips, and it's not just one plain color, I'm going to take the Desi X Katy Mauve Story and kind of tap that on the center of my lips. Alright, you guys, here is the final look. I finished the, I guess, smoky, almost wet looking, because the glitter in the black shadow called Game Over in this palette, the glitter helps that give it like a wet look. So a nice smoky black, you know, wet looking eyeshadow look. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, go ahead and click the like button down below. And yeah, here is the look I created using the Dose of Color Desi X Katy Round 2 Shadow Friendcation Palette. I did create another look, which I will link down below or put an iCard up, or maybe even have that be the video I post, you know, at the end, you know what I mean? Anyway, so yeah, like this video if you liked it, and comment down below what other looks you want me to do. If you don't remember what the shadow colors are, here they are. So that's what they look like. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe and tap on that notification bell, so every time I post a video up, you'll be notified and you won't miss out on anything. And just follow me on my social media like Instagram and Twitter and all that good stuff, cause Snapchat, cause you know, the more you follow me and the more active and engaging you are, then your chances of winning giveaway prizes are pretty up there. So follow me on social media, and that's pretty much it, guys. Alright, so I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!